In this video, I'm going to teach you how to install Facebook Pixel on Woocommerce. So in order to do that, first, we just need to head over right here into our woocommerce.com. Click on the Start here right there. And once you have started, you can actually have an account and you can log in if you already have an account. Now you can also head over to WordPress since we will use it to actually host our WooCommerce. Get over right here to this Get Started in order to create an account, or click on this login in order to log into one. Since I already have an account on both of them, let me head over and just log in. Now in here is my actual dashboard. In order to install Facebook Pixel, let's head over to our plugins right there. Click on this Add Plugin. And then from in there, what we can do is we need to first install WooCommerce and then Facebook for WooCommerce. So wait for this to actually load and then install those plugins. Head over and click onto this and search in here for Facebook. Now from in there, it should be able to show you in here this Facebook for WooCommerce. Just head over and click on it. Once you have installed and activated this, next thing you need to do is to head over and then navigate to the plugin settings. You can find so by going to the marketing, and then under the marketing option, you should be able to find Facebook. Here is our Facebook. Head over and click on this Get Started. And then from in there, it will direct you next to your Facebook. It will log you into your Facebook for Business. Head over and then just continue, grant it permission and access, and continue by granting it your settings. Click on Next, and then this will link your two accounts together and it will install the Facebook Pixel. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.